The SPY continues to be in a tight range here. After yesterday's tight range, it continues to range within the same levels. And what a drop here into the second half of the day, guys. And our SPY bot today in the volatility sent out a bear indicator directly over to the Discord since 10:25 a.m. and it has not been canceled in today's volatility. It lasted all day and it continues to dominate over the chart, and the rejection levels of these outflows dominating, right? It came back up to the outflow level from yesterday, rejected it, and then it got an extra layer of outflows here. You could see that dominating there and pulling down towards 536, 537. Now, since the bear indicator was sent out and in that drop, put options went up over 250% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets and learn charts along the way, whether you're a beginning investor, learning investor, or an experienced investor, you can get that edge of confirmations with our bull and bear indicators of trend, and then also see the strength and weakness of supports and resistance with our inflow versus outflow indicators, and join the members using 42 Vision, getting connected over to our bots, and also using the inflow versus outflow indicator. The link is down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join us and gain that edge within the volatility of the charts and these markets. So the SPY here had an outflow level yesterday. You could see that dominating there. Red, pink is outflows, and blue, indigo is inflows. And outflows were dominating up here near 543. It came up to it, quickly rejected it, came back down to 538. It was trying to range and hold itself up because there were some inflows that picked up and dominated here, plus that extra layer of confirmation of the bull indicator going into the open. But a bear indicator popped up, and in that area, staying below that resistance and where that bear indicator popped up at that 541 to 542 level, it continued to range until outflows popped up and the acceleration happened, guys. And we came down to this level of support that is crucial, and we're sitting here fighting to stay above it. That level of 537 is crucial here. If that gets broken through, then down here at 536, 535, and then down here where things started to pick up and hold up in yesterday's volatility. That's what pushed things up yesterday in the pre-market, and then also what brought things back up into the close, right? That's where things found support yesterday, 533. That is a crucial support. If that gets broken through, well, then we have other levels to look at. So this is really where 42 Vision, our inflow versus outflow indicators, really give us that edge to see the confirmation of trends, right? With the bull and bear indicators and the strength of supports and resistance clearly with those inflow versus outflow dominations, and also the amount of volume here, right? 317,000, 169,000, and how it's reacting in the volatility and based off each chart. Because on the 5-minute right now, down here at 537 to 536 is crucial, but on the 15-minute, it's a range as well to not ignore, but then comes down here 533. Same thing yesterday on the 5-minute, and then we're also fighting within this range of outflows that brought things down from 534 all the way down to 510 pretty quickly, right? So as long as we're in this range, which we need to get back above 538, and it's struggling to do that, it could come back down to test 533 and even the lows of that outflow level here of 531, and then we have lower levels to look at and reassess. Now to the upside, there's some huge outflow levels here historically to not ignore. So if you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve, check out the link down below in the description to learn charts along the way, get that edge and clarity within the volatility, and have confirmations of the strengths of support and resistance with our inflow versus outflow, and the strength of trends with our bull and bear indicators, guys. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community of members using 42 Vision within the volatility. So you see it here on the 15-minute. These are clear levels to not ignore. We're under a bear indicator here as well. And then if you zoom out to the 30-minute, it's been under a bear indicator since yesterday. And we talked about this. This 30-minute bear indicator can continue to dominate for as long as it stays here. And any pushback up is not justifiable because of the fact that that bear indicator is over this chart, and that's where things slowed down. If we go ahead and draw here, you could see that area where that bear indicator popped up is the same area where things slowed down today. And it wasn't just based off that bear indicator. If we go back into the 5-minute, that's where things rejected. If we go back into the 30-minute, that's where things rejected. So critical level of resistance. Another level has formed here at 541, and then we also have this tight range here on the 3-minute up here near 538. Now it's trying to sit between 536 and 538, but the key levels I'll be watching first is down towards 536, then historically 533 based off the 5-minute chart down here, and also the 15-minute chart as we saw. You could see it there. And then if that gets broken through 533, the next level I'll be watching is the 532 to 530 area. And then we'll have to reassess and see what's going on at those lower levels. To the upside, we want to break back above 538, get to 540 to 541, and then up here at the level of 543 to the 544.50 area. That is a crucial resistance here from yesterday to today. If that can get broken through, then comes the historic level of 545, and then above that is 550, guys. Those are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial, and these inflow versus outflows in the tight range I will not ignore, guys. If you guys want to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve and learn charts along the way and have that clarity and edge over the charts and individual stocks and the markets, check out the link down below in the description and in the top pinned comment. We look forward to getting you connected and having you join the community. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.